Hey guys, this is Omida Review. Today I gonna review Content Gorilla AI. Stop stressing over content, finally a real AI solution with authority. Automatically generate perfect blog post written in the style of Tony Robbins. Create expert level blog post in minute with our cloud based app used by over 8,800 people.
They could create amazing content that drives traffic, but don't have the time to do it themselves. They don't have time to create this content and no motivation or strategy to share it with others on a regular basis. Have you ever felt that way as well? You know you're sitting on a money-making idea, but you keep struggling to execute it. Most of the time, success comes down to consistent action, and in business,
Here is some review. Great app, solid support and communication recommended for all skill levels. Roger says, build your own content machine that works around the clock. Here there is Lal here along with Neil Napier. If you have ever wanted to have Tony Robbins or Tim Ferriss create a blog post for your business but couldn't afford it, and build a near passive business powered by content marketing created in the voice of the best experts in your field, that will build a wide net where you can grab the attention of thousands of new prospects every day, then you need to keep reading. See, I was always told that content marketing is the foundation of building a solid business. But since I am not a native speaker myself, I needed a shortcut. And since I am not an internationally recognized expert in my field, I needed to find a way to borrow the authority of those guys without getting sued. I have a simple goal. I wanted to start content machine in my business that would generate traffic and sales even when other opportunities failed. But doing that isn't easy, especially when you are trying to rank on page 1 of Google consistently and you don't have the voice of the big influencers out there. I need to use social media on autopilot to drive traffic, because that's when the traffic starts coming. Experts says content is king. Both Tony Robinson and Neil Patel agree that content is king, and if you don't have expert content, you shouldn't even try to rank on Google or any other search engine, because great content is the biggest factor when it comes to getting high search engine ranking. But you don't need just any content. You need high quality, human readable and Google friendly content written in the voice and style of an expert in your niche. Now there are three ways to get that kind of content. Write yourself, pay Tony Robbins, steal Tony's content and get sweat. Guys, if you buy through my link, I have a special gift for you. For gift, contact me on me Instagram. My affiliate link and Instagram link in description.